So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change your name on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys can able to see this option right here called your account and then choose it, and after that you can see a bunch of options right here. Now guys, you just have to click on the second last one, which is called account settings, and after that you guys will get transferred on this page. So guys, as you can see, there is a button called edit public profile. Now you just have to click on this and then you guys will get to on this page. So after that you guys can see here is a button called change or remove. So guys, now you just have to click on this. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys can able to change your name, your first name and your last name. So guys, as you can see, my name is Jason and I'm changing it to Adam. And you can also put your last name. Let's say my last name is Water. Then after that you guys will just have to click on this button right here called save changes, and after clicking on this button your name is now has been changed on your shop. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.